course will definitely change your product development game. First point, you will be able to increase user value. Why? Because you are going to deliberately design experiments to better understand user needs and find effective ways how to address them. So we believe this is the best way how to increase user value. Second point, because you will be able to increase user value and have this process more conscious with a lot of learning, you are definitely on your path to decrease waste. As a result, you will also improve return on investment when it comes to what the team is working on. So you will invest based on evidence. You can adjust your budgeting based on experiments, based on the results, based on the data that you get. And in the end of the day, thanks to that, you can embrace agility principle of simplicity. So in that process, you will be also maximizing the amount of work that is creating little or no value. Another important point, we as human beings, we really often jump into solution space immediately or just by briefly presenting the problem. And in this class, we want to unlock creativity by thinking in problems and showing a different perspective on that. So hold your horses and let's try different experiments to make sure that we truly understand what the problem is. You might be amazed how many different solutions may be finally created when we first pay a lot of attention to understanding the problem. Another point, some of the customers, some of the teams, companies complain when it comes to collaboration with stakeholders. With this class, you actually might be equipped with some tools and ideas how to improve collaboration between the teams, between the stakeholders. And this collaboration may change completely because if you invite others and you show them this different perspective, your product development may start with using data, not opinions. And in that case, it might be also easier for you to get a green light from important stakeholders, but also to show them that certain paths, certain ideas are not worth investing. So finally, I believe it's also a class that is improving our toolbox, our product development toolbox. Because after the class, you will have a bunch of valuable practices, techniques, ideas when it comes to discovery, when it comes to validation, and you can start using them immediately after you leave the class. So it might be a great beginning of changes that you will start very soon, just after you say goodbye in our class.